Your Holiness, what is the solution for the alienation of the Ahmediyya sect by other Muslim organizations? What can you do to try and resolve that?
It will take some time. You know, when the founder of the Ahmadiyya community claimed he was a one person and in a small town, and after some few years this total strength was some few thousand, and during his lifetime in 1908 we were almost 500,000, right? And that was only mostly in Indo-Pakistan continent. Now we are in 202 countries of the world and in millions. So this is how we are multiplying. Hope one day when we are in majority everything will be okay. So we have to show patience, and we are doing it by preaching and winning the hearts of others, right?